Online class, Gangi Secondary School, Suresh Chandra Rai, English First Vibhag, Chapter 3. The name of the chapter Events and Festivals. Lesson 5 Independence, Class 9. Dear students, how are you? Oh, yes, I am fine. Thank you all. My artist learners in Class 9, listen to me carefully. Today's lesson Independence Day under chapter 3. So, student, can you remember your before lesson? I think it was another lesson, isn't it? Yes, it's right, my dears. Point B. Let's come to the point B. It's a text lessons. It is an Independence Day of Bengalis. You know, our Independence Day is 26 March. Every year the day is celebrated in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on the day. The day begins with a 31 gun salutes or gunshots. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Shabad. Then, other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyr. People from all walks of life also go in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day. Dear students, here are some questions. Number 1, what can you see in the picture of your EFT book? Number 2, where is it? Number 3, why was it built? Dear students, aim at the point C and match the words with their meanings. Dear students, listen to me and look at the blackboard. Point C. On the left side, column, words, fervor, after like, after spectators, after displays, after illuminate. There are meanings of the words on the second column. Number 1, acts of performing skills. Number 2, to decorate a building, bright lights. Number 3, in a similar way. Number 4, a strong feeling of excitement. Number 5, a person who is watching an event. Matching with the meaning on the column third. Fervor, a strong feeling of excitement. Alike, in a similar way, a spectator, a person who is watching an event. Displays, acts of performing skills. Illuminate, to decorate a building with bright lights. Dear student, aim at the point D. Here are four statements on the identified lesson. Every statement indicates possible answers. Choose the best answer. Number 1, our biggest state festival is possible numbers, possible answers. A, Victory Day. B, Shohid Day. C, Pahela Boishakh. D, Independence Day. The accurate statement, our biggest state festival is Independence Day. Second, two statement, the celebration of Independence Day begins with possible answers. A, possession. B, gun state. B, gun salute or gunshots. C, placing wreaths at the National Memorial. D, the display of parades by defense forces. The second correct statement, the celebration of Independence Day begins with gun salutes or gunshots. Number 3 statement, the National Mausoleum, the National Memorial is possible answers. A, on Dhaka University campus. B, at Ramna Park. C, at Shabar. D, near Dhaka Medical College. Third correct statement, the National Memorial is at Shabar. Number 4 statement, on Independence Day the National Parade is held. Possible answers: A, at the National Parade Ground. B, in the streets. C, in the decorated vehicles. D, in Dhaka Stadium. The fourth accurate statement, on Independence Day the National Parade is held at the National Parade Ground. Dear students, write your homework how we have celebrated this year's Independence Day at your school. Today, here is the end of your lesson. Thank you all very much.